Okay, this is the fourth video for the Google tour. This video is going to show you how to add an audio clip. Um, so I'm starting at the very end of the third video that showed the images for the points of interest. I have my Jaguar here. I have my description, and then I'm going to add site narration. Now this is going to be just specific to this point of interest. So whenever I click on this, it's going to say select an audio file. I don't have an audio file yet. To create an audio file, you need to click on the online voice recorder that is posted in the directions. It's going to take you to this site. Now, you are going to record yourself using this button, and you're going to make sure that you read word for word in your description. The jaguar lives in the rainforest. This cat is one of the larger mammals that resides here. The jaguar lives in the rainforest. This is one of the larger. Wait. Okay. So, for example, I forgot what I said exactly. You can actually tab back and forth from this so that you can actually read it word for word. So I'm going to do that this next time. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. Yes, I'm going to be done. Okay. Click the button to start recording. I'm going to start with the jaguar lives in the rainforest. All right. The jaguar lives in the rainforest. This cat is one of the larger mammals that reside here. All right, I went back to my audio clip. I stopped it. Now I have the option to save it to my computer. All right, so I have saved it to my computer. It's gonna say like record, or online MP3. I must now go back to my tour creator, select an audio file. All right, it did not save to my desktop. It is located in my downloads. So you have to find your downloads on your computer. I couldn't find it, so I typed it in the search bar up here. And I've obviously made a lot of audio recordings, but I know it's this one because it's the most recent one I've completed. I'm going to open that, and now I can click to listen to it myself, make sure it's the right one. It is. So I'm going to add it. Now, anytime anybody clicks on this, it will play it automatically, read it to them. You must add an audio clip for all of your points of interest for the entire assignment. So scene 1, 2, any audio or any, I guess, description or point of interest, you must create an audio clip for it.